Hello and welcome. In this video, we shall see the topic of magnetic effects of electric current in nutshell. So here we start with Biot-Savart's law. On the screen, left hand top corner, we shall start with the topic. We'll take a circle in anti-clockwise direction covering all the topics. So let us focus on the Biot-Savart's law. It gives us the magnetic field due to a wire carrying current, that is mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square. The magnetic field due to a straight wire is B is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2I by A, whereas at the center of a circular coil carrying current is mu naught upon 4 pi 2I by 2 pi I by A. The torque acting on a current carrying coil placed in the magnetic field is given by tau is equals to NIAB sin theta, which is also written as MB sin theta. This leads to the very important instrument called moving coil galvanometer, which works on the principle that current is proportional to deflection. The formula for the same is I is equals to K upon NAB theta. This galvanometer can be converted into ammeter by connecting a shunt resistance in parallel with the galvanometer, whose value can be S is equals to Ig into G upon I minus Ig. If we need to convert the galvanometer into a voltmeter, we connect a high resistance R is equals to V upon Ig minus G. This resistance is connected in series. The current sensitivity is given by Is is equals to alpha by I, whereas the voltage sensitivity is Vs is equals to alpha upon I into R. Moving on to the next important law, Ampere's circuital law. It gives the closed integral of B dot dl is equal to mu naught into I. Here I stands for the current enclosed by the Amperian loop. The solenoid has a magnetic field B is equals to mu naught Ni, which can also be written as mu naught Ni by L. Here the capital N represents total number of turns, whereas the small n represents number of turns per unit length. For a toroid, the magnetic field is B is equals to mu naught Ni, which is mu naught Ni upon 2 pi r. R stands for the radius of the toroid. The magnetic flux represented by phi is the dot product of B and S. It's the dot product of magnetic field and the surface S. Force acting on the charged particle moving in magnetic field is given by F is equals to QVB sin theta. The force acting on a current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field is F is equals to BIL sin theta. Whereas if we talk about parallel conductors carrying current either in the same direction or in opposite direction, the force is given by F is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 by D into L. This is the chapter of magnetic effects of electric current at a glance. Thank you.